What's up guys, Andre back here at the Harley-Davidson garage. If you're looking to upgrade the foot controls on your Pan America, then this is the video for you. Standing up on your pegs when riding off-road gives you leverage and balance, but sitting down is great for on-road riding comfort. And these new levers give you optimal control and comfort because they adapt to either riding position. The new adjustable brake lever conveniently allows you to change the placement higher than the OE position for ideal riding comfort when you're standing on the pegs. It can be reverted back when needed. No tools are required, which makes road or trailside adjustments as easy as possible. If you're looking to make changes to the space between the foot peg and the shift lever, then this adjustable shift lever kit is for you. The foot peg position is adjustable on the lever, which will increase or decrease the foot peg to shifter peg distance. Super useful for accommodating different boot sizes. These adaptations are quick and easy to do, which is exactly what you need when you're out on the trail. If either of the foot pegs make contact with anything, the tip of the foot peg will fold away to prevent it from shearing off or getting damaged. Both brake and shift levers have a sleek and durable black finish that looks great with any Pan America paint scheme. For this and any other genuine Harley-Davidson products, visit harleydavidson.com or any authorized Harley-Davidson dealer.